Dear student, today I am going to explain you phrases. It is a part 2. Listen carefully this chapter. What is a phrase? A phrase is a group of related words within a sentence. For example, I saw a tall girl. In this example, a tall girl is a phrase. A phrase can be found at the beginning, middle or end of a sentence. A phrase can be found at the beginning, middle or end of a sentence. A phrase may not contain a subject or verb or both. Thus, a phrase may have a meaning but it does not convey a complete thought. Or you can say a group of words that make sense but not complete sense is called a phrase. For example, with a spoon at the park, last week at the railway station, last evening, of no use, of great promise, in the morning are so many examples of phrases. A sentence may contain more than one phrase. A sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense by itself. A sentence may contain more than one phrase. For example, a tall girl was standing near me. In this example, a tall girl is a phrase, was standing is a phrase, and near me is a phrase. There are several kinds of phrases. The more prominent of them are noun phrase, verb phrase, prepositional phrase. What is a noun phrase? A noun phrase begins with a noun or a pronoun or other related words. For example, that magnificent house was built by my great grandfather. In this sentence, that magnificent here noun phrase, a house indicate noun. A noun phrase has words in a following pattern. First, determiners plus noun. What is a determiner? Determiner is a word that comes before a noun or a noun phrase to classify if the noun is specific or general. So, determiner plus noun, it is a first pattern. Or the second pattern is modifiers plus noun, or third pattern is determiners plus modifiers plus noun. What is a modifier? A modifier is a word, phrase or clause that describes something or makes its meaning more specific. Modifiers functions as adjective or adverb. So now the first pattern example is the child. The here determiner and child here noun. Then according to second pattern example, tall child, tall here modifier and child here noun. According to third pattern the example is the tall child, determiner the, and tall here modifier and child here noun. What is a verb phrase? A verb phrase is a combination of main verbs and the helping verbs in a sentence. You know main verbs? For example, I say Mohan writes a letter. Mohan writes a letter. So in this sentence, writes here main verb. Is it clear? And what is a helping verb? For example, I say I am writing a letter. I am writing a letter. So am in this sentence, am is a helping verb. For example, the barking of the dog did not disturb others except me in the house. So in this example, did not disturb here verb phrase, did here helping verb, not here verb phrase, and main verb here disturb. A verb phrase follows this pattern: helping verbs plus main verbs, or helping verbs plus modifiers plus main verb. According to first pattern example is has been, lying. Has been here helping verbs and lying here main verbs. And according to second pattern the example is has not been, lying. has here helping verb, not here modifier, been here helping verbs, and lying here again modifier. Main verb. What is a propositional phrase? A propositional phrase begins with a proposition and ends with a noun or a pronoun. For example, my uncle Ranjit and his wife Radha are doctors at a private hospital. My uncle Ranjit and his wife Radha are doctors at a private hospital. At here preposition. A private hospital indicator noun. So it is at a private hospital. It indicates propositional phrase. Propositional phrase follows this pattern: a proposition plus object of proposition, noun or noun phrase. For example, in the box, so in here proposition and the box here noun phrase. A phrase is made up of words that revolve around the main word called the head word. The head word determines the nature of a phrase. Every phrase has a head word. A phrase is named after its head word, which is the most important word used in the phrase. For example, most of the villagers have assembled for the meeting. In this example, first of all, here describe noun phrase. Most of the villagers is a noun phrase. Villager here head word. Have assembled here verb phrase. Assembled word indicate head word, and for the meeting, for here head word, and for the meeting here propositional phrase. Homework for you: underline the phrases in the following sentences. It is a story without any truth. The lion is an animal of great strength. He is full of courage. An old man lived beside the lake. He wants to go home. Do you enjoy reading this book? He speaks like a born reader. Thank you and have a nice day.